Okay, hello everybody guys. Today I'm making the full reattachment of my hair piece. This is company Lordhair. Name of system is Neo. The color number 6. Okay, first that we need to shave my new hair under the system. My friend will help me to shave and I will show you how. So we use like a trimmer and the visible lines. We are going in one direction. Yes, like this. I need to shave what you have extra. You need just to be careful not to shave an extra, just especially for your temple. Your size. Bolt head is ready, and now I wash my hairpiece and I put a tape. I'm wearing the hairpiece. I put the tape first because this is a lace. You don't want to make your lace dirty and very hard to clean after directly glue on the lace. That's why we use tape, and on tape I will put a glue. Okay guys, we're almost done with our glue. I use I told you a different brush for glue and going around for the best adhesion with your skin. Almost done. And be careful with the clear bond. It's very strong, it's very hard, and so be careful with this glue. And I'm not scared. Thank you Lordhair for the information. I'm not scared to put a little bit glue directly to silicone here. So guys, this is my first hairpiece from Lordhair company, and I want to say that I'm very grateful that I had this piece. It's very durable, and I think it's a must of long-lasting systems, hair pieces, and I highly recommend this brand. I will loyal to this brand. It's not too hard. It takes time to learn how to install, how to do by yourself. You can see the front line, looks very natural. I don't use a pomade or fiber today because it's summer. It's a little bit hot. That's it. Let's see. A little bit more water. A bit more water. Don't let it dry. There you go. Okay, thank you for your attention guys. See you.